What's up, everyone? Thank you all for joining me today. Today's video is showing you all the different panorama modes that the DJI Mavic Air 2 have. There's a total of 4 different Pano modes. To access it, you click on the top right icon, you swipe down, and it's right under hyperlapse. And you will see the 4 different options you have. So there's sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle, and vertical. I will be showing you an example of each one and we will go in order. So first, let's start with sphere. So sphere is probably my favorite one. The distortion isn't awful to look at. It's quite pleasing to me, at least. Of course, there's distortion at the top of the image, on the sides, and on the bottom. But to me, it looks like a really good picture. I like this option a lot. Next is 180 degrees. This image, it doesn't look horrible, but compared to the sphere, I don't think it looks as good. The left and the right sides are distorted much more than the middle, and it looks kind of weird, especially on the right side. It looks very weird to me, but you might like it. So this is 180 degrees. It's giving you a 180 degree viewing angle. Next is the wide angle. The wide angle looks the closest like an actual photo. This is a really good image. I like it a lot. You can tell it is some distortion on the left and right side of the image, but it's not as much as a 100 degree photo was. Also, it is more of a crop on the top and bottom of the photo. The 180 degree photo wasn't as cropped as this one is, but this one definitely looks better. Last but not least is vertical. This is a vertical image. As you can see, it's much more cropped on the left and right sides. All you have is a top and bottom. Trying to get as much as you can in frame vertically, not really worrying about the size. So if you're trying to shoot a tall building, something of that sort, you will use this vertical mode to try to get as much as you can in a photo. It's not a bad image. I wouldn't really be using vertical, but it's there if you need it. So this is the same park that I was in on the other pictures, but just in a different area. And this is a sphere option. As you can see on the left and right side of the picture, it is very distorted and it looks kind of circled. The actual park does not look like this. It's just a photo, and it's not bad. It looks pretty cool and it looks creative. Next is the 180 degree photo. I like the 180 degree on this photo. It looks really good. In this shot, the 180 degree photo looks a lot better than the other photo. Next is the wide angle, and you start to get a little crop. And last but not least, vertical. So there you have it, all 4 options of the Pano mode. And I will leave a short video of how the park actually looks so you can get an idea of what the drone actually took a picture of and how it came up with the pictures. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, like and comment if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to respond. And look out for the next video.